Hello beautiful people, in this video I'll be showing you how to make money with Blender app. Blender is an app that persons go on for 3D creation and it is very easy to use, and I'll be showing you how you can start making money using it. As you can see right here, I'm currently on blender.org, which I recommend you go on. Then you're going to download the Blender app. Once you have downloaded the app, you can start playing around with it until you get to understand it. And I would also recommend that you go onto YouTube and you search for tutorials on how to use it, as I want you to grasp knowledge on how to use it very quickly. Once you have done that, the next thing that I would recommend you do is go onto myminifactory.com, as this is the website that you're going to be using to make money. So once you have grasped how to use Blender app, you're going to go onto myminifactory.com, and from here you're going to sell your STL or your 3D creations. And as you can see right here, all these persons do is create the STL and post it right here and sell it. As this is the marketplace you can go on to sell your STLs. And you can see that persons are making a good amount of money. As you can see right here, $7.50 and $4.50, and the prices vary, as you can see right here. And that's basically it. So you'll be using the free app, which is Blender, and then you'll be coming onto myminifactory.com, and from here you'll simply sell your STLs. So there's no need to purchase a 3D printer or anything like that, as I've always tried to find the best ways to make money from the comfort of your home without having to invest anything for starters. So you'll be using a completely free app and you'll be posting them on this website and you'll be getting paid. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to make money with Blender, or overall how to start making money with 3D printing without purchasing a printer.